3D printing seems to be this infinite space, but once it's scaled up, not. There's orientations, there's the toolpath, which becomes very visible, and to integrate that, not to deny it, but to integrate it into aesthetic, I think is important. There's some quite elegant intricacies, and it's all nature-like in many ways, because you have such variational processes in natural morphogenesis. The new level of intricacy is what compels with an object like this, which wouldn't have been available. The idea of transparency, of gradient material transformation, and in the transparency, the intricacy of detail, of very, very complex internal conditions also. I think 3D printing will be more and more one of the options which will be on the table with anything we start to engage with more and more.